what's going on?
Hey, baby. Is it okay if I come home tonight? I'm sorry for trying to steal your thunder and your moment at the gala last night. I know how much that meant to you. Let's just make this right. We come home.
I said, I know. No, you hear me. Say no, no. Could you hear me? No. Could you hear me? You. No. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You turned down to the stone. Don't pick up my motherfucking phone. What's the way wrong? I don't wanna hear your voice no more. You throw it away, I'm moving on. Or hearing you say I'm walking, no. I'm walking home. You can't break me, can't make me bound. But take your moment to break me. I'm done with the pain. You wanna let you in, let it be. Stop my feeling, I will never give in. No, knocking at my door. Don't wanna hear your voice no more. Stop knocking at my motherfucking door. I don't wanna hear your voice no more. Stop knocking at my fucking door. Turn around and don't come back no more. Turn back, but I come back no more. Be no more, bitch, no more. Don't knock her no more. I hold my door. No more. Stop. Don't turn around no more. Ta-ta. Don't be down.